Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Poco C65. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show free credits banner again, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Just choose your photo, select it and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.